When you concentrate on your work, you suddenly need to use a multimeter, but the general type is too large to carry portable. Don't worry, M167 compact multimeter, solve your problem. Display of products and accessories, including multimeter, probe wire and instruction manual. Power on. AC voltage measurement. Data retention. DC voltage measurement. Resistance measurement. On-off buzzer detection. Zero fire line detection. When measuring the current, the electric pen needs to be converted to the negative socket. AC voltage measurement. DC voltage measurement. Backlight, flashlight display. NCV detection.